Hey everybody, it's Catherine. Welcome to my channel where I like to talk all things fragrance and beauty. So this is part 2 of the Sephora gift set video duo. So I'm all ready for Halloween, so forgive the not typical Catherine makeup. So the other two gift sets that I got that I wanted to tell you guys about prior to the Sephora VIB gift sale are firstly, this adorable little one by Laneige. I love these little sleeping lip masks by them. They're nothing fancy or life-changing or anything like that, but it's kind of cool that they each have a different scent or a different taste to them, and I thought my coworkers might enjoy these as like a little holiday gift. So sorry ladies, if you're watching this, this is what you're getting. You get 5 minis, all for $18, which I thought was a really good deal. You get Gummy Bear, which is one of my favorites. I got that last year for the Sephora VIB sale. It's kind of smells like a sweet tart. It's a purple tint to it, pretty yummy. Then Lemon Sorbet, I haven't tried this one. Mint Chocolate, again another one I haven't tried. Sweet Candy, I don't own this one, but I want to. It's really sweet. It's gonna be tempting to not keep that little sucker. And then the Traditional Berry, which I do own and I think is one of their more popular ones. Cute little set for less than $20. The full-size Laneige sleeping mask, lip sleeping mask is $20. 0.7 ounces. I mean, you literally are getting the exact same amount for the price point. You have 0.5 ounces for 18 versus 0.7 for 20. Not really saving anything, but you're not paying more either to try 5 of their scents, and also great little stocking stuffers. So that's one Laneige Midnight Minis of the sleeping mask. The second gift set I got, you know how if you are regular on my channel, you know that I love Sol de Janeiro, and so I got the these are all things that I usually buy anyway, so I thought, hey, I'll get them in the gift set and also get the scent that I have not tried before. We are being interrupted. Hold on. So this is the Galaxy Gorgeous set. Really cute, fancy packaging. Great, would look great under the tree with just a bow, maybe a gold bow, just like this. Great packaging. And inside then you get a mini travel size of the body wash, a large of the Bomb Bomb cream. Just got a wow from the audience. One of the perfume sprays, and then the body scrub. I absolutely love this body scrub. It smells fantastic. It's like a caramelized, sandy, nut coconutty beach scent. It's not like super sweet. If you like the caramelized type amber scents, you're gonna love it. Salted caramel, pistachio and salted caramel is the smell of the Cheiroso 62 body spray that you get in here, and hair and body fragrance mist, actually it is. Like I said, the moisturizing shower cream. I love this. It doesn't leave a residue on your skin. It just cleanses you. The scent will stay with you, and then you can finish off with your Bomb Bomb cream, which is a fast absorbing body cream, which is phenomenal. It's not going to leave you with that oily feel to it. It's fairly quickly absorbing and just leaves you feeling moisturized and set for the day. Top it off with your Cheiroso body spray, and you don't really even need a fragrance. You're good to go, and you're going to smell oh so yummy for the rest of the day. 2 of the 3 gift sets that I got from Sephora, the third being the Westman Atelier. Did I say it right there, ladies? I was corrected by 2 of my viewers. Thankfully gave me the correct pronunciation for that. So I think it was Atelier. Hopefully I got that right this time. Please let me know if I did. Again, those are 3 fabulous gift sets that you can try. I think most anyone in your life would be happy to get any one of those 3. I know a couple guys who secretly have enjoyed the lip sleeping masks. So like I said, most anyone will enjoy any of these. So again, thanks for stopping by my channel. Please make sure to hit the like button if you enjoyed the content of this video. Please also make sure to hit subscribe so you can join my family, my community here online. Comment below if you have any other gift sets that I need to check out. Again, Sephora VIB sale, I believe, starts next week. So excited. Stay tuned. I plan to make a video of what I plan to purchase, and then once I purchase them, what I purchased. So click the notification bell if you want to be alerted as soon as I post those videos. Again, happy Halloween if you celebrate the holiday, and appreciate you all. See you soon.